Augmented reality and computer perception lay the foundation for smart assistants that can guide us through real-world tasks, such as cooking or home repair. We propose Adaptive Multimodal Assistants, or AMMA, a software architecture for building guidance assistants. AMMA adapt to users' progress, preferences, and capabilities. Take the adaptive cooking assistant we have built with AMMA, for example. If the user burned the salmon fillet,
You've burnt the salmon. Trash it.
the assistant asks the user to trash it, then redo previous steps done on the salmon to continue with the recipe.
Grab another salmon fillet. Season the salmon with salt for 5 grams. Fry the salmon for 100 seconds.
The assistant also utilizes explicit and implicit user feedback to understand users' preferences on guidance modalities. If the user turned a heads-up display on while seasoning previously,
Turn display on.
the assistant will turn it on again for a similar step.
Season the chicken breast with salt for 5 grams.
If the user gathered ingredients faster when highlighting an audio were on, the assistant will use these guidance modalities again.
Grab a can of turmeric powder.
In addition, the assistant estimates the duration for the user to perform different steps and optimize planning to minimize the completion time. If the user can only gather one item at a time and cuts the lemon slowly, it asks the user to gather a plate and a parsley leaf while frying,
Gather a parsley leaf.
because cutting the lemon at the same time will burn the cod.
Stop frying. Transfer the cod to the plate. Gather a parsley leaf. Cut lemon into 6 pieces. Cut 5 times. Transfer the lemon to the plate. Garnish with parsley leaves. All done.